I'm about to embark on a journey somewhere that I haven't embarked before. One thing I haven't done is actually done any modifications really to the Mac. Wednesday night I ordered some RAM, and not the type, but today I'm going to install it. Fast delivery came on today, which is Friday, and that's crucial. Anyways, let's get this started. Now it's time to turn off the computer. Doesn't really happen that much, but sometimes it's important to, especially when you're actually going to be putting RAM into it. I don't think it would be safe to actually put the RAM in without turning it off. So we're going down to shutdown. Let's hope whenever I do it and put the RAM in, the computer will start up. Shutting down. Okay, there's one reason why I want to record this. This may destroy my Mac. It also may be a success and happy days. Yes, I'll have 3 GB instead of 1 of RAM. But anyways, it's time to remove the cables. Okay, this is the headphone cable, the other cable I need, all this. It's amazing how many cables I have here. Pretty much all the cables removed. And the most important one, the power. Ah! I'm just lifting the Mac at the moment, just to put it in a safe place. Always bend the knees whenever carrying something. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the cloth down flat so my screen doesn't get destroyed whenever I have my screen face down. So picking up again the Mac. Haven't really carried it about too much like this. Yep, put it face down and see the beautiful back. We've got the iMac, this is the stand, and all I'm going to do is lift the stand up so I can actually see behind. All this is a little panel. I will unscrew this partially, and the nice thing about it is if you see up above, there's actually instructions on how to remove the plate and to install new RAM. What they suggest in using is a Phillips screwdriver. I haven't got a Phillips screwdriver. I only got the Halifax ones. So I'm just about to remove the screws for the plate. And it's turning. Oh, and it came out. So I just need to do the other. This is a little bit of pressure here. Still screwing. How long are these screws anyways? Always put the screws in a safe place. That's what's important. There we go. They're tiny screws. Now, this is the fun bit. I haven't done this ever. Kind of scared. Sweat is coming off my face, forehead. Now, this is the fun bit. What I'm going to do, and what they say to do, is to move these clips. And whoo! We have RAM. Now we have 2 bays here. Both of these are 512, which makes it up to 1 GB. So how am I going to remove this? I don't know yet. That was easy. That was very easy. There's the first one. I mean, that's incredibly easy. And it has the information on the bottom which says 512 megabytes.
It's actually upside down.
And it's upside down. Yes, thanks Mr. Cameraman.
Which happens to be Kevin.
Again. So, the first lot of RAM is out. And I've just put it here for the time being. I do have more RAM to come out, and that's not off the variety. That's remarkably easy. I can't believe how Apple have made this. I mean, if you're going to be having like a normal TAR PC, then I mean you're going to have to open the case and everything. I mean, this is just a little flap, and I'm not really panicking too much at the moment. The head opening is plastic, especially like this, but this is actually pretty good. I mean, there was just a little slit at the side. I stuck my fingers in, and I was able to pull the plastic back. Nice to see that they have instructions. I don't know what the instructions say because I've just opened it. And yes, they have more instructions on how to install memory, which is kind of nice. I like it. Or is it? Nope, it's just helpful hints, troubleshooting tips. Yeah, whatever. Don't like reading manuals too much. Just about to put this RAM in, and it's not of the variety. All I do is, as far as I know, we're gonna push it in, and it's going in, and that's it in. So we've got to get the other in now. It doesn't look too badly in there. On the website I was reading, it seems to be that it makes a click, but I didn't actually feel or hear a click, which isn't too good. But anyways, let's go for this, and we'll get the other 2 gigabytes in. It's not too bad. It hasn't been too bad so far. Whenever I'm putting in the RAM, I have to make sure that this side is going in like this. So let's go for it. It's going in, and yes, the moment of truth is coming. And that sits nicely in. I am going to just push my fingers in here, and that's it. That's the RAM installed. Now it's time to put this back together and put the kit in place. I'm just going to take the screwdriver now. Tighten it up. And take the other side. Make sure it's straight. And screw this in a little bit more here, this side, so it's nice and tight. The RAM won't fall out anyways. But just to make sure everything's flush again. But anyways, that is the RAM installed. That was not that hard, even though I made it sound like hard. But anyways, let's get the computer back upright again. It's the moment of truth, the time to hear the bong. Now the question is, will it be able to recognize the 3 gigabytes? It does seem to be a wee bit different. It's looking for the RAM. Beautiful Apple logo. Everybody likes that. Except for Kevin.
Except me, because Macs are rubbish.
Well, depends what you're doing, Kevin. I'm not sure what you like to do on a Mac, but I know you like to play Batman.
Batman's pretty good.
So now is the important time. We're actually going to be checking to see how much RAM is in the computer. Now to do this, what I'm going to do is going to go to the little Apple logo at the top left hand side, which is the menu, and then after that I'm going to go down to About This Mac. And oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Currently there only says there's 2 gigabytes. What does that mean, Kevin? That means I need to open her up again and try to see what's happened wrong. But so right now, as you can tell by my screen, I'm loving 3 gigabytes. Absolutely loving it. So far, I've been able to, yeah! That's the way it works. So, anyways, that's all from me. And that's all from my cameraman. And what I gotta say to you is, buy a Mac.
That's all from us, thehubcycleworkshop.co.uk.
For all your biking needs.
Good night.
Good night. Good day.